Understanding, catch the draft. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning of the phrase, catch the draft. This phrase is not just about airflow, but it carries a deeper, metaphorical meaning. Let's dive in and understand its nuances and applications. Catch the draft has its roots in physical experiences. Literally, it means to be in the path of moving air, especially a sudden and cold flow. But metaphorically, it has taken on a broader meaning. In this section, we'll explore how the phrase evolved from its literal sense to a metaphorical one. In its metaphorical sense, catch the draft is often used to describe being swept up in a trend or movement. It's about being influenced or carried along by the prevailing thoughts, opinions, or tendencies of the time. This section will provide examples of how the phrase is used in everyday language and media. Context is key when using phrases like, catch the draft. Here, we'll look at different scenarios where the phrase can be aptly used. From social movements to personal experiences, understanding the context will help in grasping the full meaning of the phrase. It's easy to misinterpret idiomatic expressions. In this section, we'll address some common mistakes people make when interpreting catch the draft. We'll clarify these misconceptions to ensure clear understanding. We hope this video has helped illuminate the meaning and usage of catch the draft. Remember, understanding the context and metaphorical implications are key to using this phrase correctly. Thanks for watching, and we hope you'll join us for more insightful English language learning videos.